Hello, so I'm going to show you how to fix Rocket League DX11 issue. So let's start. Now for the first step, make sure to go to your browser. After that, go to the search bar and type in DirectX 11. You just need to type in DirectX download. After that, look for the official website for Microsoft, which is most likely the first one. Click it. You'll be redirected right here. So scroll down, select the language you prefer. After that, click on download. This application will start downloading. You just need to open it. This is exactly what will pop up. Make sure to follow up with the process in order to install the DirectX application. So click I accept, click next. Make sure to uncheck this box because it's useless. After that, click next again. Just wait for the installation process. It will take a couple of moments. After that, as you can see here, the installation is successfully completed. So you need to click on finish. Next, make sure to go to the Windows taskbar, right click and then select Task Manager. Now this will pop up, so go to the search and type in Epic Games or whatever launcher that you have Rocket League on. After that, once you find the launcher, make sure to right click on it and select End Task. If you don't find it, that's okay. You don't need to do anything. Just wait for a couple of moments and make sure to open the launcher once again. Now once it opens like this, you just need to go to library where you have your catalog of games. Just go to the search to quickly search for Rocket League. Now for this to be working, it is a must that the Rocket League have to be installed in your computer. So if you go to installed files, you should find the Rocket League appearing right here. Make sure to do that. After that, go to the top right corner and select your icon right here. After that, click on settings. Now scroll all the way down. In the manage game section, make sure to look for Rocket League, and once you find it, I will suppose it is this. Click it. After that, you need to select this box, additional command line arguments, and make sure to type in this command -DX11. Now you can safely close everything. Try restarting the launcher. After that, you should safely run the game without any issues. If you found this video is helpful, consider liking and subscribing, and see you on the next one.